Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to create the Let Me Raise a Toast trend video that is going around on TikTok like this. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So this trend is very similar to the 27 picture trend, in which you make a speech at the beginning of the video and then you dedicate it to your significant others by posting a series of photos of them. It can be your other half, friends, family members, or even pets. So let me show you how to create this trend on your phone. On your phone, open your TikTok app. Now the first step is to find the audio of this video trend. So tap on Discover and search for Raise a Toast. Select a video and make sure the audio is from the Little Rascal movie. Tap on the audio and add it to your favorite. I have also included the link to that audio in my description down below. After doing that, make sure you save the video that is playing the same song so you can use the audio in your editing process. So now the next step is to record this video, and for this you will need a phone and a laptop. On your laptop, play your audio from the link I have provided in my description, and on your phone, record your video. We are playing the audio in the background because you can lip sync to it so it matches in the video. Make sure to end your video right after the actress creates a disappointed sound in the audio. The length of the video should be 12 seconds, so you have that extra second to trim later on in editing. Now once you have the recorded video and the downloaded video on your phone, go ahead and open CapCut app. If you don't have it, you can download it from the App Store or the Google Store free of charge. Once you have CapCut open, click on New Project. Now import the two videos, the downloaded video and the recorded video. Select both of them and tap on Add to the Timeline. Make sure you select the downloaded video first and then your video. Now once you have the two videos in the timeline, select the downloaded video by tapping on it. Now using the tools at the bottom, swipe all the way to the right and select Extract Audio. This will detach the audio from the downloaded video. Now you can select the downloaded video and remove it. Once you do that, your recorded video will be over the audio that you have extracted. Select your video and make sure your volume is set to 0. Now swipe all the way to the right and you'll see this black screen which CapCut adds by default. Go ahead and delete it by tapping on it and then press delete. Now if you play the song, you'll see the beat kick in at around 11 seconds. So select the recorded video and trim it so it just ends just as the beat kicks in. Now the next step is to add photos to the end of the video. You can do this by pressing the plus sign, then select photos, and from here select all the photos of the person you're dedicating this video to. I would recommend choosing at least 20 to 25 photos so it fits into the song. If you do not have that many, don't worry, you can just cut the music short. Now add them to your timeline. All the photos will be imported to the end of the timeline. To sync with the beat of the music, you need to shorten all the photos to 0.3 seconds. So select a photo and then using the white trim at the end of the photo, trim it down to 0.3 seconds. Now do this to all of the photos. Once you've done that, play the video and make sure the audio, video and the photo fits in well. If you have to make any adjustments, then go ahead and shorten it or extend the photo durations as per your need. Once you're done with it and you're happy, tap on the up arrow to export your video. Now tap on Done. Now it's time to upload that video to TikTok. Open your TikTok app. Now tap on the plus sign to create a video. Then tap on Add Sound from the top and select the audio from your favorite. Once you've done that, tap on Upload and select that video from your photo library. Finally, you can add your stickers and text and then post it on TikTok. And there you go, that is how to create the Let Me Raise a Toast to the Girl trend which is going around on TikTok. My name is Karthik and you're watching Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.